Hi everybody, Rob here from Trader Success, and I'm here to introduce you to a new indicator we just released called the Trend Trader. Trend Trader is a new indicator, and basically it's designed for trending the trades. Okay, so let me explain a little bit how this indicator works. And I think you guys are really going to be interested in the results of what this thing can do. Now, this is designed for Forex and Nadex, okay? Now, I'm a Nadex trader, and I'm going to show you right now in real time a trade that I'm doing in the S&P 500, okay? But before I show you that, it's actually a trade I got in like about 30 minutes ago. And I have it going all the way until 4:15 Eastern time. But before I show you the results of that, let me just give you a little brief idea of how this indicator works, okay? Basically, you have, as you can see, the candle indicator right here. This is a very important indicator. You know, I'll tell you, I would not be surprised if you ever traded this by itself. You'd be good to go, because this is what you're looking for. As you can see right here on the S&P 500, we have a lot of sellers, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now is I'm selling using this indicator. Okay, I'm looking for all reds practically. I mean, you can see for yourself the 30-minute time frame, the 15-minute time frame, the 5-minute time frame, the 1-minute time frame, the 4-hour time frame. Look at the 1-hour time frame. I mean, this is just, you don't buy. Okay, this indicator alone just tells you no buying. This indicator is also included in the holy shit indicator. I highly advise anyone who purchases the holy shit indicator, please keep your eye on this indicator. When the signal comes in, you're going to want to watch this. Okay, so if you were going to get a buy signal, I would not take the buy signal. Okay, but that's another video I'm putting together to explain the holy shit indicator. But this is the trend trading indicator, and as you can see right here, this is the candle indicator. Also, we have the channel, which is the trend channel. Okay, we have two moving averages right here, and we have the iTrend RSI right here. Okay, support and resistance, and also we have automatic Fibonacci levels, which unfortunately, if you can see right here, these are the Fibonacci levels. Let me see if I can go, if I could switch over here. Yes, this is the Aussie USD. Okay, and this is with the trend trader. Okay, this is the Aussie USD, and you can see that there's a lot of heavy sellers on this currency right here. These represent the automatic Fibonacci levels. Each of these blocks right here represent a whole day. Okay, so this block right here represents today, and they automatically change at the end of every day. Okay, so at the end of the New York session, around 5 p.m. Eastern time, this will change to a whole new level for the new day. Okay, so very convenient to have these where you don't have to manually draw them anymore using your charts. So you can literally just leave these on and they will automatically change its own levels on a daily basis. Okay, so these are the automatic Fibonacci levels, a very new indicator that's put into this particular indicator. Okay, let me go back to the S&P right here. So you have those, but I usually go by the support and resistance. And these are all support and resistances, everywhere from a 1-minute chart to the monthly. Okay, so you have all different levels of support and resistance. You have the trend channel, you have the moving averages, the iTrend RSI, which is like a moving average down here, but it's like a moving average for the RSI. Okay, it's kind of like a built-in RSI, the levels and the highs and the lows of the market built in as like a MACD. Okay, so this is like a new indicator added to this here. Most importantly, though, that I think that would interest many beginner traders who are interested in trading trends, which mean longer term trends, you know, longer term trades. This isn't a scalper, okay, but you could kind of scalp. But what you're going to be looking for here, we have 3 different indicators put in here, 3 new indicators. This one here is the trend predictor It's an arrow. It does repaint, but you're not going to be trading on this. This is just going to let you know that at some point the market is going to turn the other way. Okay? But you're waiting for confirmation, and the confirmation of taking a trade is going to be these two right here. This is the small single trend arrow, and this is the super arrow indicator. Okay? So when you see this big arrow, okay, that's going to prepare you to know that the market is about to change over. Okay? But you're not going to take a trade until you look for these confirmations. The confirmation you're going to be looking for is the little green arrow for the up, and then you're going to wait for this arrow. This is take the trade arrow. This is take the trade arrow. Okay? So once this comes in, this comes in, this comes in, you take the trade only if the moving average, as you can see, the moving average, the green has to cross above over the red, and it did. And once it did, when this arrow came in, and if you look down here, you also see that the iTrend RSI MACD crossed over the red. So once this all lines up, and it did, this is all lined up, this cross is lined up with this cross, and then this comes in and it's all ready to go, and sure enough, she shot right up. Hit the channel, bounced off, and now is coming down. Now, longer term traders, this is what you're looking at here. You want to scalp, you can actually come off because this is going to go back up too at some point. But I believe that this, probably by the end of the day, it's probably going to be testing this area of support here, or possibly touch this. Okay, so we'll have to see what's going to happen throughout the day. But the movie, I mean, it's all selling right now on the S&P. The moving average shows it right here. We have our signals. You can see right here the red super arrow right there. See the wings of the arrow? And then I don't know if you can notice, but right in the center, you can see this arrow, the green one, which is now red pointing down. This is a very strong signal, a very strong signal. You can almost trade it by itself, but I like confirmation. You have to have the confirmation, okay? So you have to wait for these crosses. You got to wait for all this to be in to take that conservative trade. Also, look over here at the candle indicator. If everything matches, like when this happened, this was probably all green, okay? But in this case, as you can see, we have this arrow here. We have a small red up right in there, okay? And then we have all the sellers here, and we did have a cross down. You see the cross down here? It crossed here. We waited, but we had to wait. The signal came in, and then we have the cross. So anywhere in this area, you can see the crosses. It's confirmed, and you can see all the sellers. So you take your trade. Okay, so this is the new trend trader, and very quickly, what I would like to do now is show you the results of Nadex. Okay, so here is Nadex. And if anybody is familiar with Nadex, this is a great binary option regulated platform. This is the way to go, guys. This is binary options, but in a whole new wave, okay? There are so many ways you can play the market using this platform, okay? This is my trade right here. You see the US 500, which is what we just saw, the S&P. Okay, and you can see right now I sold 20 contracts, and right now I'm about $440 in profit right now, using this indicator. I got in the trade somewhere about right up here when it did a pullback. Okay, when it did the pullback and it hit that moving average there, I knew the signals were in already. I knew the sellers were coming in because I saw a lot of sellers on the higher time frames. I knew the signal was in. I knew the moving averages already crossed over. I was just waiting for a pullback to get into a better price. Took the trade at, let me see, I sold at 21.27, and the market right now is at 21.25. Now I got this going all the way until 4:15 p.m. Eastern time, so I have like another little less than 6 hours to go on this trade, and I'm already this much money in profit. I could literally take this right now, and that's the beautiful thing about Nadex. You could actually take profit. I mean, all you have to do is just click on this and place the order, and automatically this money will go right into your account. Okay, this money will go right into your account. Where binary options, you know, the ones that we're aware of, you're stuck in an expiry time, and you have to really wait until it expires. And so the beautiful thing is you could scalp this really easily by just, you know, the more contracts that you sell and buy, the more potential money you can make quicker. Like I said, I still have like a little less than 6 hours to go, and I'm already up in the $400 mark. You know, it's fluctuating. The market's fluctuating right now. They're back up to 420. So if I wanted to make $400 for the day, I can take it right now and stop trading for the day. I made my 400. Okay. Where can you make $400 a day in regular binary options where you have to invest like, you know, you have to have a $5,000 account to invest maybe $500. So if you did 10% of your account, and if your broker paid you 80%, then you make $400 if you win. Okay. With this, I mean, I bought like 20 contracts at about $70 a piece. So this trade basically cost me, yes, it cost me $700 to sell, to buy 20 contracts to sell them off. But $700, the payout, if this stays under this here by 415, I will get paid a profit of $1,500. So to invest $700 to make $1,500 or $1,400, I think it's $1,400. Invest $700 to make $400. That's pretty nice. Okay, but I usually don't stay to the end unless the market really looks like for sure. If I'm going to go, let's say, and I'm going to get an indicator coming in saying this little thing comes back on the upside, I'm going to get out, take profit, and go the other way. So all you have to do with this indicator is just follow these little signals. Make sure you got the crosses. Make sure the crosses are confirmed. Here's the cross here. Here's the cross there. Here's a cross here. Here's a cross there. Here you have your signals right here. Very important. The small little arrow right here. Very important. Very strong indicator. Very strong. You could practically trade it by itself. But for conservative traders, I would definitely wait until you have confirmation on these super arrows. Okay. Also, this is very important. I'm not worried about these temporary buyers up here on the short time frames. I'm more interested in the 30-minute, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour and dailies. And I see that they are fully red, which means there's tons and tons of sellers in the background. And so this thing is just going to sell off. And I'll debate on when I decide I want to take profit in the Nadex trade. Okay, so again, this is the new indicator we're introducing now. It's called the Trend Trader, and it's really worth taking a look at. That's basically it. So I just figured let me make a quick video and just explain to you exactly how it functions, and I want to give you an idea of a live trade in this video, so you can get an idea how it functions and how it works. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at info@tradersuccess.com. We have other indicators on the way coming. We only, make the best that we can that's going to have positive results. But this is the newest right here for Forex traders and Nadex traders. Okay, you can, if you wanted to, you could probably take like an end of day trade and a binary option trade if you wish. But again, like I said, this is more for Forex and Nadex traders. We have a website coming up soon. We are going to have a live trading room there. We have our products there as well for sale, all our indicators. Also, we're looking to provide a push notification signal service. Okay, all according to this trading indicator right here. I will fill you in on the information on the website in the future for that. But if anybody's interested in doing like getting signals from us, we're going to be offering that. So right now, that's it. Any questions? Again, email info@tradersuccess.com. This is Rob from tradersuccess.com. And see you on the other side. Good luck and happy trading.